Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm making a quick midweek analysis of the pound USD. Today is 17th of October 2024 and also going over to Friday the 18th because I normally don't make analysis videos on Friday. So welcome to the channel. We're starting over on the weekly time frame. Now I have been biased on the sell side for quite a long time, so I am hoping that this level breaks, this trend line breaks, and hopefully get a retracement and then continue to the downside because in the monthly time frame that is what I have been looking for. So for today we can see that currently we are at this support level here. This was the previous sync point, and now we have price currently around this level here. So let's just scale down to see what's going on the daily time frame. So daily time frame, I had this wedge pattern here, I think, yeah, rising wedge, sort of had a breakout, and now I'm looking for a short retracement because I am a day trader, so I'm looking for just short trades, whether it's counter trend, and then hopefully now look for those sells. So if I take my Fibonacci retracement level tool, I can see that we have a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. We also have the 50 and the 60, which is slightly far. So I'm hoping that maybe price can start pulling up to maybe one of these levels here, and then now look for those sells downwards. And also, if I take the Fibonacci, the EMA ribbon, I can see that we have the 20, which is over here, and the 50 EMA. So maybe price might reject off one of these moving averages and hopefully get that movement downwards. So yeah, currently that's it on the daily. So going over to the 4 hour, same situation here, except on the 4 hour, because this is a new swing point that I'm looking for, and in case I don't like taking counter trends, but because, as I mentioned, I am a day trader, I do look for short-term positions. As much as I'm on the sell side, I am looking for a short-term buy before selling. So, and I normally target 60 pips a day. Hasn't been that easy because of the consolidation that we had even from last week, but for today and for Friday, I'm hoping that maybe these candles can really close bullish. As much as we are in a downtrend, I am aware. I know some of you might tell me that in the comments. I am aware, but I'd like to get like a pullback because I do feel like price might retrace, and I want to catch that pullback before selling. So I'm hoping that we can have either a pin bar candle or an engulfing bullish candle over here, so that I can take an opportunity that looks something like these. Yeah, something like that is cool. I normally just target 2%. I mean a 2R risk to reward. Yeah, something like that would be cool. If it does end up breaking below this level, then for me, I'll just be waiting until I get that counter trend, because yeah, and then I'll look for those sells, because currently looking for those sells in any of these levels here just doesn't look ideal to me. Yeah. Okay, so going over to the 1 hour time frame just to see things more clearly. I haven't been able to get any position. On Monday, I was looking for a counter trend. Yeah, just a retracement long around one of these levels here. But I did not get a confirmation candle on the 4 hour. As much as we did have a 1 hour candle close bullish, we can see that on the 4 hour, it did not really engulf this candle here. And that, for me, is a bit tricky because I like to wait for confirmations on the 4 hour time frame. So no trade for me this week. Yesterday, we had some major news, caused price to drop a little bit, but now we can see consolidation. So hopefully I can wait for that position that I'm telling you about. I don't know if I'll be able to get it today or on Friday. We'll just have to see. But yeah, currently this is just what I'm looking for, to be honest. If it does continue selling, I think I'll be out of the market until otherwise. So just going over to the dollar index, just to see what's going on over here. The dollar has really been pushing up, you guys, but this is, I guess, good for me because this is kind of the bias that I had on the dollar. It's only that now just getting moves it's tricky, and I am hoping for the dollar to also retrace. When I take my fib from the lowest point to the highest point, you can see that we have the 60 in between the 50 and the 61.8. We have a level there. So hopefully if price does decide to retrace, it can either maybe pause at the 38.2 or to the golden zone around here. And of course, if the dollar goes down, then correlating to the pound will be going up. So that is why I'm looking for a short-term buy. But overall, even in the pound, I am biased to upside. But I guess for this situation here, because of the elections and just everything going on in the world, nobody can be too sure. And we can see that we have this move over here. So price might even decide to continue pushing up before getting that move. So I'll be watching. Honestly, I don't have too much hope. You let me know what you think think in the comments. I'll be excited to hear what you have to say. Just share your opinion because I'm also learning from you as well. Looking at the calendar today, I'm in East Africa. This is 3:15 p.m. This is Euro news. I don't trade the Euro, but I just have it here. USD at 3:30 p.m. EAT and 3:45 Euro news as well. And Friday 9 a.m. we also have some pound news retail sales. So yeah, that's my analysis. Let me know what you think. I'm a bit skeptical, so that's why I'll be waiting and waiting and waiting. I'm really hoping that I get something because last week I did not have any trade, and I'm hoping I can get something this week. All right, have a good day, and I'll see you on the next.